Alright, Swerve. This one for you. This is on 30. I can kick it up to about 34, 36 before I get any real distortion. So like clipping. So here we go on me. You gonna throw that front door open? That bitch joking. Oh shit, too far. Bluetooth. Forgot about that part. Alright. That was you. Let's go back. Now we gonna get some love for Maud. Cause no lie, when I listened to it, I was like, yeah, this shit fine.
Can't close my eyes. All the possibilities.
Left my cigarettes in the car.
Don't have no more.
Ooh, I heard all of that shit shaking. For Martin, we'll turn it up to 34. Bring it back down to 30. Nah. So, I'm gonna upload this shit to YouTube, and I have no idea how well it's gonna upload, like the sound quality. So, find out when I get to the house, bro. Find out when I get to the house.